how to get a Boomplay editorial playlist, like a created submission guide. So now after releasing your music, you are going to send a pitch to Boomplay via their official contact page. So when you make the pitch and send it to them, you can also include a press release, social post, Spotify stats, YouTube experience, and a story behind the song. So these are the things you can do to get the editorial playlist, or you can also tag Boomplay editors on social media politely to draw their attention. You can just go to Twitter, they are more active on Twitter or Instagram. You can also reach out to them on Facebook and you tell them about your request politely, and they'll definitely attend to it. You're welcome.